Hi guys, welcome on this reading, amazing reading of yours. So I was trying to make readings before also. I tried to make two readings, awesome readings, but you know, my mic wasn't off. My mic was off. So definitely there has been a message that is coming through to me. This is your person who is trying to connect with you, and if you don't believe it, you don't have to. This is my collective message. I'm trying to give it to you. I'm trying to be the truth teller here. If you want to believe it, you believe it. If you don't want to believe it, just skip the video. I don't give a anything, right? So yes, your person is trying to talk to you, your person is trying to connect with you, and they have been on your mind. It's not your fault. This person has been giving you this vibe that you see something in them again, right? And let's just go through it because this reading is amazingly weird to me, okay? But yeah, this is angels connecting right now, and let's find out what this is about, because this was supposed to be a different kind of reading, but your person is coming here a lot. So let's see. Yeah, this is about your person. This is about your person. There is gonna be some kind of a transformation in this relationship. Let's find out what it is. First, I say thank you, God. Thank you a lot for giving us this reading. Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Father of Cups, Ten of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Four of Swords. Really? Ace of Cups. Bottom, Daughter of Pentacles. This person cannot focus on their money. This person has their eyes on you. They want to be more stable with you in this relationship. This person is expecting a stability, okay? Their relationship with their spouse, their marriage, or their relationship with the third party is not working out. Somewhere this person has moved. This person may have moved out from their home, or they may be just feeling off at their home also, right? So this could be a person moving away from their home, their marriage, their relationship, because I see there is an ending in the third party. However, this could also be that it's not working out for them. Moving on, this person is trying to offer you a cup, because they want to see the stability. I see this person has not been very much okay without you. This person has been thinking you of as the one, right? Because you may have given them a lot out of your own energy, out of your own good thinking, positive thinking, awesome vibes. They connect with you. When they think of you, it brings them a lot of positive vibes. They think that you are the one, but there is some kind of a feeling that they are getting away from, which is you may be an illusionistic person, right? So they are trying to say no, you're not an illusionistic person, but this also comes in their head because they treated you like that. This we have your ancestral messages also, that you will receive this message from your person, okay? There is a truth that about this relationship that is gonna come out, and the truth could be that somebody have told your person some kind of negative things. Maybe it's someone who told negative things to about you to your person, right? So whatever it is, this Daughter of Pentacles, this person may offer you something because they know that you have a lot. So keep in mind that this person wants to be with you, but and even this person can do a lot of things just to show you, just to um, you know uh, impress you, right? in a good way, impress you in a good way, just to show you that I always wanted you. You never came out of my mind, something like that, right? I see you are not very much invested to get something. You're detached from this person. I see you are detached from this person. I see you have something going on in your life right now which you're not very much happy about. That something about your life is good and something about your life is okay, right? So you are like, I'm okay, I'm good, I'm fine with my life, whatever it is. But this person has always been showing you that he or she has been a drama person, drama queen or a drama king. I'm getting the Father of Cups. This person has always been dramatic. Dramatic means you take the lead, right? So whosoever my collective is, they take the lead. They show everything. They are the one who concerns. They are the one who gets worried. They are the one who gives the care, all the care, right? But without you, your person has been healing themselves. Now they have been healing themselves because they want to look forward to you, right? So this whole picture that I see here is that there is very strong urge that your person wants to text you. This whole lot of things comes down to one thing, that they want to offer you communication. They want to offer you a cup. They want to propose to you, right? They want to give equal and take equal, right? So give and take, equal give and take is coming in. They were not as kind before as they feel like, or they want to tell you like they are now. So this is very much of a showing energy, that I want to show you now. I want to show you now, right? I think your person has received some kind of a confirmation regarding you, that you may have loved this person. Because see, this person is somewhere getting the picture of whosoever this third party or whosoever they chose over you. It could be society, it could be third party, it could be family, it could be responsibilities, it could be career, all of that maybe, right? But where you were right on something, where exactly things were that you loved this person, you gave them concern, you gave them care, and it's genuine. They're not able to find the genuine things after you left. Nothing is genuine, and they gave you a lot of burdens. It seems like they gave you burdens which were theirs, and they turned the tables on you, and then you had to go through tremendous amount of transformations after transformations, just to realize that this person was a false person, and you were not. So you realized that this person was a false person. This has been on your mind, on their mind, and it is coming to me that they have been living by your memories. Six of Cups, missing you. They want to meet you. They want to take action towards you. I think it's time that healing is going on their side, but it's time for you to realize if this person is right for you or not. It's time for you to realize, to come into your own mindset. Let's see more. Okay, let's see more. What do we have about you? What do we have about you regarding you in this situation? Let's find out. Empress and the Star energy. So I've been reading I told you I've been trying to do the readings before this reading, two readings, and you were coming as the Empress and the Star in both the energies, right? So you are the Empress, you are the Star, and in this whole your person reading, you are the one getting two major arcanas. Your person have not received a single major arcana. I'm shocked to see this. Let me see if my mic is still on. Yeah, it is. So I tried to make two readings, and in both the readings my mic was off. Okay, so how you are being in this, all of this. Let's see. The Moon, how you are being in all of this. Ace of Wands. Okay. I'll take one more card. And we have the Lovers card. Yeah. Yup. So you are very, very... I've got to say it. This person is your soulmate. You're very much scared now with this person, with this situation, with the two of you being together. It makes you just like that, right? It makes you feel like, I don't want to think about it. It puts me off. Whatever your energies are, it is giving me that you in your life, you are a superstar. Yeah, right. Personally, you are a superstar. For other people, you are the superstar. You shine bright personally, and you shine bright outwardly also, right? So your inner light is becoming your outer light always. But this person, this relationship has always put you off. It has been always like somebody's trying to crumble you, somebody's trying to neglect you, and you don't want to face other person. So this is your person, right? But I see that this is coming as the Lover card, and I see that you want to have a communication with this person so deeply. So something within yourself is thinking that, I want to have a communication. There has been a wanting of communication within yourself, that yes, I want to. But the Moon card is like, it could be making you fearful, it could be making you out of faith, out of hope. It puts you off somewhere. It seems like you don't want to face this kind of fear. You don't want to face your person anymore. Your person is also fearful. I am not denying that fact, but this person is somewhere in the air, somewhere in the world, is trying to shout that I have been trying to follow you telepathically. I've been trying to message you. I've been trying to offer you a cup, but you have blocked me. I am blocked from your side. I don't know what is. This Four of Cups is showing me a lot that your person has been trying to talk to you, but you have blocked this person. Let's see more. What is this Four of Cups about? Let's see because this is about your ancestors. They are also trying to tell you something. What this Four of Cups is about. This is the Emperor card. Okay, let's see more. What is this Four of Cups about? See, I've received 4 4s. That's a synchronicity. I have received 2 6, and I've received 2 5. So something is. I have received 5 4s. 4 of Wands is here. Yeah, and the Death card is also number 4. Number fours a lot. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have your heart chakra energy, your and your person's heart chakra energy. A lot is going on in your person's mind regarding this situation. They They want to marry you. They want to be with you. They want to include you. And this is the energy can't lie. The energy can't lie, right? But something is telling me that you have been living in, or your person and you both are living in certain kind of materialistic things, which could be living in dreams, living in, open eye dreams. So something is coming here, like open eyed dreams are happening. So you may want to get out of that. Maybe, if this all time you and your person had a telepathic relationship, no contact relationship, away from each other relationship, I think you have been living in dreams. That's what this all energy is reflecting to me. A lot of dreams, right? So maybe it's time to make the things real, because you are the empress. This person is coming in as emperor, right? This person is somewhere done with whatever life they have been living without you, even before you met them, even after the no contact. So they are looking for a stability right now. The question for you is, can you provide the stability to this person whenever they approaches? Because this is coming down to one thing. They wanna meet you, they wanna talk to you, they wanna offer you a cup, they wanna talk their heart out to you. Ace of Pentacles. Something is coming in. Okay, I will see you next time, guys. This was your reading from my side, and yeah, this energy will make you question yourself. This energy will actually come down to a level where you will, you will change, or maybe you will see, but you will stop resisting. Of course, there is a heavy chance of communication. Heavy means strong and means 100% communication. If you're watching this and you think that this energy could be for you, like this video, comment down below whatever. It was a 4 energy, 4 triple time, 5 or 6 times has received in this reading. Okay, so write down 444, or maybe just say good things about what you want, how you want. And yeah, in case you want to book a personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. The number is only in the description box below. This energy was too much. I have to leave. Thank you for watching.